Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We all have heard the word confidence sometimes in our lives. Well, today we're going to take a trip to a community in Mandeville with that same name. This lovely split level home on 16 Confidence Avenue is in close proximity to Mandeville Town Center. It has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms upstairs. Two of the three bathrooms, two of the three bathrooms are ensuite, along with living room, dining room, kitchen, washroom, and veranda. Downstairs, adjoining the two-car enclosed garage, are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The land area of this split-level house is 7,104 square feet and comes with ceramic and terrazzo flooring. It is grilled, fully walled, centrally located, easy access to Mandeville town, recreation nearby, and road paved. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $208,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.